Do you like your new tie? It makes you look very handsome.
Mia, please. Mia, please. Mia, please. Mia, please. Shh, don't back. You can't do this. You can't do this. You can't do this. Don't back.
The flavors are melting on my tongue.
Mikey, what are you doing? Nothing? I don't think it's nothing. I think you're trying to get into the cat drawer.
Excuse me, Miss Lady, did you climb into that bowl? That is not for sitting. It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out.
That sounds like she said no.
Come on out.
Don't let your cat pet you and see what he does.
Mason.
I love you.
Yeah, cool. I love you too.
I want to stay with you in your room, in your bed.
Okay, well, that's not gonna happen. Anyway.
So it goes the same way with dogs and you have any dogs and cats? Some people here they can't get rid of their dogs and cats.
Yeah.
They can't clean after them. Ooh, some apartments are like.
Only cats can hear this sound that I'm about to play. All you have to do is bring your cat closer to your phone and just watch how they react to this sound. And if you don't have a cat, send this to someone who has one and ask them how they reacted.
What do you got to say to all the haters? What do you got to say? What else? What else? And oh, he's not happy. Anna, don't. Oh my god. Baby. Oh, you're dramatic.
You angry?
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Gentle.
He killed my...
Good boy. I know. That's a good boy.
I just realized I've had my dog for over 8 years and have never told her my name.
Hey, I know you're chewing your bone and everything, but did you know that my name is Alyssa?
Tell him. Tell him. Let me see. My big teeth are coming in. And when he's supposed to be mine, it's my party and I cry if I want to, cry if I want to, cry.
What's this say? That's right.
Just a regular day driving around with my box full of puppies.
Why'd she do that?
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
I was in the 3rd grade. People treated me like a criminal because I killed somebody. Hi. Hi. Good morning.
If your pet was on a dating site, post a photo that would be their profile picture.
Bongo la, bongo cha cha.
Hello there.
Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it.
When you're too lazy to shut off the lights. Hell yeah.
You are. Yeah, shut up, honestly. You're gonna, you know what? Next summer you're gonna be wearing your spring jeans.
Disrespect your surroundings. Surprise, shawty.
My dog wanted fizzy soda and didn't know how to act.
He got used to it. Oh no.
Bag up, Terry. Put it in reverse, Terry. Put it in reverse. Oh, Lord. Lord, Jesus. Oh, Lord. Welcome to Jurassic Park.
You're my friend now.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I said no, ma'am. Tear your butt up.
Give your dog a round of applause and watch their reaction.
Jittering, hot dog, bologna, macaroni, sitting out with the homie.
happened to the original plot of the movie? What happened to the original plot of the movie?
Do
you
want
to go for a walk?
Come here, let me see it. Are you excited?
Oh no!
We have to go. We have to go. We have to go to the vet. We have to go. We have to go.
Just can't say goodbye.
I just want to be appreciated.
Cash, good morning. Oh, that's rude. You be nice in the morning to your family, okay? No, that is not a nice face.